I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and storage are ready. Charge the battery and insert a formatted SD card. Once done, set the mode dial to movie mode so the camera prioritizes video settings. Make sure the lens is mounted and both lens and camera are in autofocus and live view. This gets you into the shooting interface quickly, letting you see exposure changes in real time and prepare framing before adjusting exposure and audio in the next step. Now you dial in exposure and focus. Select aperture based on subject depth, wider for separation, smaller for detail. Then set shutter speed to roughly double your frame rate, 1/50 for 24 fps, 1/60 for 30 fps, to keep motion natural. Adjust ISO to achieve correct exposure while minimizing noise. For focus, use back button AF or AF on for steady tracking and enable face detection. When ready, press the red record button and watch both the image and audio meters closely. You should monitor sound with headphones or the on-screen levels. Set manual audio so peaks stay under -6 dB to avoid clipping. Make short test takes and play them back to check exposure, focus, and sound, then adjust as needed. If a problem persists, retry the shot. A common troubleshooting tip: if audio is distorted, lower input gain and move the mic farther from the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.